Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Murano. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find autonomous braking, voice-activated navigation system, rear view camera, airbags, driver, knee, audio radio, touchscreen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, Nissan Connect, satellite communications, cruise control, trip computer. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.